The stage is now set for what could be a major family drama over the fortune left behind by Prince. The fight reached a Minnesota courtroom today, even as many troubling questions remain over how and why the superstar died. NBC's Stephanie Goss now with late details.
With concerns growing that prescription painkillers may have played a role in Prince's death, today Arsenio Hall said he knew his friend was in pain.
You know, I was aware of hip pain.
Correct.
That he had. There was a point where he was having some pain, and I never talked about that kind of thing.
Tell me how you feel this morning.
Meanwhile, in Minnesota, Prince's siblings pushed through a mob of media to get into the courthouse, the first step in dividing the musician's fortune. Today, the proceedings lasted just 10 minutes. Tyka Nelson, the pop star's sister, and 5 half-siblings are the only known heirs. The judge confirmed today that no will has been found, but the search for one continues.
These estates can be some of the ugliest fights you've seen in probate court. People are throwing around all sorts of dirty laundry. It's all aired out for the public to see.
Prince's estate is estimated to be worth nearly $300 million, and it will likely grow. On top of new music sales, there is a treasure trove of unreleased tracks, thousands of them, almost impossible to put a price tag on. And Prince invested heavily in local real estate, owning at least 16 different properties in the Minneapolis area, worth close to $30 million. While the family tries to unravel the finances, the mystery of Prince's death only deepens. Law enforcement sources say prescription painkillers were found on Prince's body and in Paisley Park. Finding out what role they may have played, if any, and who prescribed them, is at the heart of the ongoing investigation. Today in probate court, the judge looked out at the crowded courtroom and he said, you know, we're not used to this kind of notoriety here in Carver County, Minnesota, but they may have to get used to it. This process could take years, Lester.
All right, Stephanie Goss tonight. Thank